Hey guys, this is towing cat 2 at Stassney Lane in South Austin, Texas. Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 is just rolling in here. Looks like we got a lot of traffic coming up. Probably in about 2 hours or so, but it's all good and stuff. We're just gonna kick back and relax and let's watch 22 roll in here. Here comes the 22 train there. There goes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22, flying in Austin to dispatch some early freight traffic this morning, so gonna talk to you guys later, but be a while until any freight trains will be around. I'll record once the trains are present again. Bye bye.